In Promptus Playground, creating an AI image is simple. But what if you want to make quick changes? MOM, short for Model Multimodality, lets you edit easily images. Just type what you want. MOM handles the rest. Let's change the photo background from the coffee shop to a New York City skyline. With Promptus MOM, generating images, changing photo backgrounds, and editing is easy. In this video, I'll show you how to edit AI images instantly. Change backgrounds, lighting, and styles, all without touching Photoshop. Promptus removes the background for you, and if you don't like it, just re-prompt the image. It'll re-edit instantly. Don't like the generation? Just type a new one. Sure, you could replace your cat's background with Mars, but let's get back to business. Want your photo to look like a movie scene? Done. Want to turn it into a 3D animation? Easy. You might think AI tools are complex or unpredictable, but with Promptus, they're designed to make creativity simpler, not harder. If you're an artist, content creator, or small business, Promptus gives you studio-level power right on your laptop. So if you're ready to create and edit faster, smarter with Promptus, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.